This tiny plastic device was implanted into 2.5 million women. They were repeatedly told it was safe, but guess what? It wasn't. In 1971, the A.H. Robbins Company started selling the Dalkon Shield, an IUD shaped like a crab held in place by a tail string. Honestly, it looks like something straight out of Alien. That string was multi-filament, basically a bundle of tiny little threads, and it acted like a wick, drawing all the bacteria straight up from the vagina into the sterile uterus. It resulted in severe pelvic infections, uterine perforations, and spontaneous septic abortions. These are pregnancies that turned fatally infected while the device was still inside them. Numerous women were left infertile, some went into septic shock, and at least 4 women died. What was particularly insidious though, internal studies flagged the risk early on. Robbins kept selling it anyway. When the FDA, which I'm surprised actually got involved and did something, finally pushed them to suspend US sales in 1974, the company kept selling the Shield overseas. In Australia, the sales reps were told to not even mention the US problems to doctors, and it was still being inserted as late as the 1980s. Lawsuits piled up for over a decade. By the mid-80s, Robbins and its insurers had already paid out roughly $530 million, settling over 9,000 cases, with new claims arriving at a rate of 400 a month, facing total collapse.
Oh no! Anyway, last week,
Robbins filed for bankruptcy in 1985. The courts eventually forced them into a trust fund of nearly $2.5 billion to compensate the almost 200,000 women. That trust didn't close until 2000, having paid out over $3 billion in total. But no executive ever went to prison. The women who lost their fertility, their pregnancies, or nearly their lives got a settlement check. Where's the justice in this? It took the FDA's failures here, finally forced Congress to regulate medical devices at all. Follow for more weird stories from science and medical history.